You want some what?
I want some popcorn. I want some really extra chum. I'm using some. Take a picture of me. Oh, that's one number one. And one, two.
Today we are going to be making bacon wrapped jalapeno popper chicken. The ingredients we are going to need are going to be Jimmy's Chuck Wagon barbecue seasoning, garlic powder, mozzarella cheese sticks, 3 jalapenos, applewood bacon, pure ground black pepper, and chicken thighs. On a tinfoil covered baking sheet, go ahead and line out your chickens. Just believe. Begin seasoning your chickens by first adding Jimmy's Chuck Wagon barbecue seasoning. Once that is on there, go ahead and start adding on your black pepper. And lastly, your garlic powder. Once you have seasoned them, begin opening up the thighs. Did you just put your hand in there?
No, I did this.
Here, stop the video. Go ahead and season the inside of the thighs just like you did the outside. Begin taking the tops off of your jalapenos. Once that is done, you can go ahead and begin slicing them in half. Now go ahead and take the core out of your jalapeno. Scrape out any remaining seeds. Repeat the process with your other 2 jalapenos. Now we're going to take our jalapeno halves and we're going to slice them in half, essentially quartering the jalapeno. Some pepper juice just went directly in my eye. Yeah, right. Now we will begin placing 1 jalapeno slice and 1 stick of mozzarella cheese into each of our thigh centers, and continuing to fold the thigh meat onto itself to contain the mozzarella and the jalapeno. Now we are going to take our applewood smoked bacon out of the package and strip by strip wrap each thigh individually. Just so people know what I have to put up with. You're right, get out of my house. Oh yeah? How you like that? Oh, Jerome, you clean out. Get your stuff. Oh? Oh.
You never kicked me out.
Dang, look how close that was. When you have them wrapped and everything inside of them, go ahead and put them in the oven to bake for about 40 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. When they're done, they should look like this. The bacon will be thoroughly cooked, the cheese will be slightly golden, and the jalapeno will be cooked as well. They are now ready to be served. These pair nicely with mashed potatoes and a little kale salad. Now let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Nice tender chicken. Knife went straight through. The thigh meat is darker meat too, so you're gonna have a lot more fat in thighs. It's gonna make the meat really tender. A lot of times if you did this like with breast meat, it'd be a lot drier, or perhaps, in order to combat the dryness, you'd have to maybe cook it a little slower, put something that gives it some more moisture, maybe like a little bacon grease or fat. But just look at how tender that is. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this updated weekly. And as always, thanks for watching.
Shitty.